Donald Trump's audiobook, Trump, Think Like a Billionaire, dives into numerous money secrets and success principles. This book was written by Donald Trump and Meredith McKeever and originally published in 2004. This book covers the journey of Trump as a billionaire businessman. While it's not formatted as a strict list, here are 25 of Trump's insights and strategies that come through in the book. 1. Think big. The US president has clearly mentioned that you should aim high in all financial endeavors. High targets take you to a big height. 2. Take calculated risks. You must assess risks before diving in. Risk-taking is a good part of business, however, a calculated risk is a smart move. 3. Know when to walk away. You should not be afraid to pass on bad deals. 4. Leverage other people's money. One of the big pieces of advice from Donald Trump's audiobook is that you should maximize returns with minimal personal funds. 5. Protect your assets. It is necessary to safeguard what you have. Valuing your assets is a smart move. 6. Understand real estate's power. As per Trump's business career, you should build wealth with valuable properties. 7. Cultivate a brand. A strong brand increases worth. Just like Donald Trump, you should also focus on making your brand value. 8. Stay resilient. It is a powerful move as it doesn't let setbacks define you. 9. Expand your network. No matter whether you are an extrovert or an introvert, you must get the idea that connections create opportunities. So expand your network, either social or business. 10. Negotiate relentlessly. Make sure you always push for better deals. 11. Invest in personal development. Before thinking about your business, think about yourself and your personal development. You should always improve to stay competitive. 12. Delegate wisely. Another powerful piece of advice from this book is that you must hire skilled people for your work. 13. Build confidence. You must approach challenges with certainty. 14. Find good advisors. If you think you know everything about business and success, then my dear friend, you will soon be out of the market. So, seek expert opinions before marching ahead. 15. Learn from mistakes. Never hate your mistakes. Rather, you should reflect on failures to improve. 16. Control costs carefully. Don't let expenses balloon. Have good control over your business spending. 17. Take advantage of market trends. What is trending is a big opportunity. So, you should identify emerging opportunities and take proper advantage of them. 18. Embrace bold moves. Don't hesitate to make big decisions. 19. Reinvest in yourself. As the business arena is dynamic, you must continuously upgrade your skill set. 20. Emphasize cash flow. You should ensure that your investments generate steady returns. 21. Use publicity to advantage. You may know this, media attention builds value. So, use publicity to gain maximum benefits. 22. Know the power of patience. Never rush to get results from your investments and business deals. Have patience and let investments mature. 23. Master the art of the comeback. The biggest lesson of Trump's business journey is a solid comeback. Just like him, you should also recover from losses strategically. 24. Diversify investments. As there is a saying, a single source of income is a stable way towards poverty. So, avoid over-relying on one source and start investing in many deals. 25. Enjoy the process. Money making should be fulfilling, not a burden. So, try to enjoy every activity that you are involved in. Each of these secrets combines Trump's approach to wealth building, resilience, and smart investing, wrapped in his confident, often daring style. Hope these $1 billion tips will help you get a perfect business inspiration. Stay tuned and please like, comment and subscribe to our channel.